problem. Find the mean proportion between 6.25 and 1.6. Solution given. Let x be the mean proportion between 6.25 and 1.6. So 6.25 is to x as x is to 1.6. Now another form of writing is 6.25 by x is equal to x by 1.6. Do cross multiplication, or you can do product of means or product of extents, because proportion. Now x square is equal to 6.25 into 1.6. Square going from left to right, square root. X is equal to square root of, I want to remove decimal, so 625 by 100. Why 100? After decimal 2 digits are there, so 2 zeros, into 16 by 10. Why 10? After decimal there is 1 digit, so now x is equal to square root of 625 is 25. 25, 25, 625. 10 tens 100 into 4, 4, 16. Square root of 16 is 4. For 10 there is no square root. So there is no square root for 10. This is the way of solving. Now 5 table goes. 5 goes 5 times, 5 goes 2 times. And this 2 goes here 2 times. So x is equal to 5 2s are 10. 10 by root 10. Irrational is there in the denominator. How to remove means rationalizing factor of root 10 is root 10 only. So 10 by root 10 into root 10, we have learned in 9th class, rationalizing factor. So that is equal to 10 root 10. 10 into root 10 is 10 root 10 divided by root 10 into root 10 is 10. 10 10 get cancelled. How much is left? Therefore x is equal to root 10. They told to find mean proportion, that is root 10. Now same, find the mean proportion between fourth bit, root 26 minus root 17 and root 26 plus root 17. Solution given. Let x be the mean proportion between root 26 minus root 17 and root 26, root means square root, plus root 17. So root 26 minus root 17 is to x as symbol x is to root 26 plus root 17. Now another way of writing is 26 minus root 7 by x is equal to x by root 26 plus root 17. Now cross multiply, or product of means is equal to product of extremes, that also you can do. X square is equal to root 26 minus root 17 into root 26 plus root 17. A plus b into a minus b form. a square minus b square. So x square is equal to root 26 whole square minus root 17 whole square. Root 17 whole square. Now x square is equal to 26 minus 17. How 26 minus 17? Square root and square get cancelled. Or root 26 into root 26, 26. Root 17 into root 17, 17. Or otherwise square and square root get cancelled. Now x square is equal to 9. X is equal to square root of 9. X is equal to 3. So the value of x we got. Fourth problem, find the mean proportion between, in that fifth bit, 6 plus 3 root 3 and 8 minus 4 root 3. Solution, let x be the mean proportion between 6 plus 3 root 3 and 8 minus 4 root 3. So how to write 6 plus 3 root 3 is to x as x is to 8 minus 4 root 3. Now another form, 6 plus 3 root 3 by x is equal to x by 8 minus 4 root 3. Or otherwise product of extremes is equal to product of means. Same way you will get x square is equal to 6 plus 3 root 3 into 8 minus 4 root 3. So x square is equal to, multiply. First you multiply with 6. 6 8s are 48. Plus into minus, minus 6 4s are 24 root 3. Next with the second, plus into plus, plus 3 8s are 24 root 3. Next, plus into minus, minus 3 4s are 12. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Able to follow? So now, plus 24 root 3 minus 24 root 3 both get cancelled. So x square is equal to 48 minus 36. How 36? 12 3s are. So 48 minus 36. X square is equal to 12. X is equal to square root of 12. We know the factors of 12. 2 goes 6 times, 2 goes 3 times. So for 2 2's, 1 2 will come outside. X is equal to 2 root 3. For 2 2's, 1 2 will come outside. There is no one more 3 to come out. So that is square root. 2 root 3. Fifth problem. 6 is the mean proportion between two numbers x and y. And 48 is the third proportional of x and y. Find the numbers. So, solution given. What is given? 6 is the mean proportion between x and y. Between x and y. What is the meaning of that one? 6 is to between x and y. So x is to 6 as 6 is to y. Between x and y. 6 is the mean proportion. Can you follow? Mean means middle. So x by 6 is equal to 6 by y. Another form. Now cross multiply. Xy is equal to 6 square. 6 6 are 36. So xy is equal to 36. If you want y is equal to x by 36 also you can write. Y place you can write, or x is equal to, that we will see later. Now next one. 48 is the third proportional of x and y. What is the meaning of that one? All of you listen careful. 48 is the third proportional of x and y. So x is to y is equal to y is to 48 is equal to, also you can keep, or whereas. Now product of means is called product of extremes. y square is equal to 48x. Product of extremes, product of means. Y square is equal to 48x. Here y is equal to, in the place of x, we got here 48x now. So x is equal to 36 by y, you write. So we can substitute this x value there. So y square is equal to 48 into x. How much we got? 36 by y. Now cross multiply. Y cube is equal to 48 into 36. Now find prime factors. For 48, 2 table goes 24 times. Again 2 table goes 12 times. 2 table goes 6 times. 2 table goes 3 times. Coming to 36. For 36, 2 table goes 18 times. 2 table goes 9 times. 3 3s are. Now y cube is equal to, how many 2's came? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 to the power of 6 into 3's 1 2 3. 3 cube. Now cube root going from left to right. So what it becomes? Y cube is equal to, y is equal to cube root of, cube root. Square goes square root. Cube goes cube root. 2 to the power of 6 into 3 cube. Are you able to follow? Is it clear? So now 3 goes in 6 2 times. Still you can clearly can do. Y is equal to 2 square into 3. 2 2's 4. 4 into 3. So y is equal to 4 3's 12 you got. Substitute here. X is equal to how much? X is equal to 36 by y. So 36 by 12. 12 goes 3 times. So x is equal to 3. They told to find the numbers. What are the numbers? X is equal to 12. Y is equal to 3. This here 3 times. Right near. So are you able to follow? So y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12. And here x is equal to 3. These are the numbers. Seventh problem. What least number must be added to each of the numbers 6, 15, 20 and 43 so that the resulting numbers are proportional? What is the least number? We don't know. So solution given. I am thinking as, let x be the least number. Least number that must be added to each of the following, each of the numbers. What are the numbers? 6, 15, 20 and 43. So now I am adding 6 plus x, 15 plus x, 20 plus x, and 43 plus x. After adding, so that the resulting numbers, now these numbers are proportional. So 6 plus x is to 15 plus x as 20 plus x is to 43 plus x. Able to follow? Now product of another form of writing is 6 plus x by 15 plus x is equal to 20 plus x by 43 plus x. Or you can do product of extremes is equal to product of means, proportion. Now do cross multiplication. 6 plus x into 43 plus x is equal to 15 plus x into 20 plus x. Now slowly you multiply. With 6 you multiply first. 6 3s are 18. 1 is there. 24, 25, 258. Again with the 6 plus 6x. Now come with x plus 43x plus x square is equal to 15 20s are 300, 15 to 30, one more 0, 300 plus 15x now with x plus 20x plus x square, x into x square. Now here x square and here x square get cancelled. Y is equal to is there between. Now 6x plus 43x is 49x. How much? 49x plus 258 is equal to here 35x plus 300. Now 49x minus 35x is equal to 300 minus 258. Subtract. Now here 14x will come. 14x is equal to, subtract, here 42 will come. 300 minus 256 is how much? 42. X is equal to 42 by 14. 14 goes 3 times. So x how much we got? X is equal to 3. Therefore 3 be the least number that must be added to each number to get proportional. Write that word. That is the conclusion. If they tell added, we kept plus. If they tell subtract, write minus. Are you able to follow? Very important problem.